Micellar water has been used for over a century. And today, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make micellar water. Today's formula is light and gentle, making it ideal for general skin cleansing. First, fill a container with distilled water. Then, add the hydrosol. Here I'm using lavender hydrosol. You can use any hydrosol you want, including rose hydrosol, rosemary hydrosol, and many more. After that, add glycerine and mix well. Then, add the cocaimidopropylbutane. Cocaimidopropylbutane is available in a variety of trade names, manufacturers, ASM, and blends. In this case, I'm using tegobutane CKKB5, which has 30% cocaimidopropylbutane. Now, check the pH and adjust it to be between 5 and 5.5. Since the pH is close to 5.4, no pH correction is necessary. Finally, add the preservative and mix well. Don't forget to check the pH again and adjust if necessary. Would you like to make a makeup remover? The formula will be in the next video. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Happy learning!